Last year nandito kami. And super busy, ang daming sasakyan, walang mga parkingan. And ngayon, walang sasakyan. Dalawa pa lang yung sasakyan nakita namin na lumampas sa amin. Which is timing na timing. Sarap pumunta pa ganitong panahon. Maganda yung weather, tapos hindi siya busy. For sure sa summer napaka-busy ito. Remy is enjoying. Wala kasing tao dito, kaya pinakawala namin si Remy. Andito na tayo guys sa Spray Lake Viewpoint. Super quiet and peaceful dito. Walang katao-tao. I think we're here last year. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. And si Remy! Remy! See? Enjoy na enjoy siya. Kasi ngayon lang siya nakagala ng hindi nakalish. You pee so much, Remy.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing.
So, nandito tayo guys sa Canmore. Tumigil lang kami sa McDonald's para kumain ng late breakfast. Kumain si Mikey ng sandwich. Tapos, uminom lang ako ng iced coffee. So, dediretso na kami sa Grassy Falls. Is it right?
Yes.
Ang kulit no? Kaya nakapasya natin natanong, saan ba tayo pupunta? So, yun. Doon kami pupunta ngayon. At yung temperature, guys, 7 degrees Celsius. And super sunny. And si Remy, excited na excited siya kanina. Nagtatatakbo siya doon sa mayroong parking ng pinuntahan namin sa Spray Lake. Enjoy na enjoy siya. Alam niyo yun, para siyang nakawala sa kulungan. Kasi tinanggal namin yung leash niya. So yeah, let's go! Okay, how far is that? It says there.
Can't see it here on the map.
But for sure, we're gonna take this trail. This is the Grassy Lake.
Yeah, but where's our rest area here?
Oh,
Did you slip?
he hit his head. So, yan guys. Actually,
That's on leash.
yeah. Actually, first time namin pumunta.
You okay?
It's so slippery. So, chill kami dito guys sa Grassy Lake. Walang tao dito. Hindi siya malamig. Kaya masarap dito maupo. Kita nyo. Pag summer, maganda yung tubig dyan. As in, turquoise color. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. So quiet.
That's the Italian guy, Lawrence Glass.
Oh, okay, name after him? Come here. Ito naman yung view. So, we're going now sa next destination. Maganda guys yung Grassy Lake. Pagdating mo sa taas. Pero, pagpunta mo doon is struggle. Kasi wala kaming spike. Dumaan kami sa gilid. Sobrang dulas. Pero worth it naman pagdating mo sa pinakataas. As in maganda siya. Mas maganda sana kung summer. Pero pag summer, busy, madaming tao. So yon, we're heading now sa Canmore. Kasi andito tayo sa Kananaskis. So yon, and si Remy, sobrang dumi ng paa. Kasi sa putik siya dumadaan. Yes, babe, you wanna say something?
Remy's a pain. Hey, Remy.
Get some air, Remy. Because you work hard. Breathtaking talaga ang Rocky Mountain and the lakes. So, nandito kami sa may Canmore Engine Bridge. 2 minutes away dito sa pwesto namin. Kakain muna kaming lunch. And si Remy, iniwan namin sa kotse para at least tahimik. So, kakain kami ng sandwich. Ready for the next one? I'm gonna eat half of mine because I
I'll
put...
take half of yours too. Yeah, half.
Yeah. Ito yung ginawa kong sandwich kaninang umaga. Actually, kagabi. Tapos kanina ko lang siya nilagay. There. It's too big. Kaya kalahati lang ang kakainin ko. Kain tayo guys.
Sarap.
Sarap. And then habang kumakain kami, ito yung view namin guys. Diyan. Malapit lang yung Engine Bridge. Doon kami pupunta. after namin kumain. So yan guys, malapit na tayo sa Engine Bridge. Ito yung lugar na isinut yung series ng HBO. Ang title niya is The Last of Us or Last of Us. Yeah, kaya naging famous to. So yung second episode niya is sa BC daw gaganapin. So let's check out guys. Yeah. Oh my God. Babe, he's dead. That's what happened.
I hope so. He just wouldn't stop today.
Yeah, see? When we're coming here, he's so hyper. Like he's awake and wants to come here in the front. Look at that. How many hours we're walking? Like from 9 o'clock? And now it's 3 o'clock? Yeah. Sobrang pagod ni Remy. Bagsak siya. Ganyan din yung last time na kami nagpunta dito. As in, nakaupo sa dyan, lumalaban siya. As in, inaantok siya. Alam niyo yun, parang napoposes siya. Yan ang napapala niya pag naglalakad maghapon kasi sanay siya natutulog palagi. Thank you guys for coming with us sa ating munting adventure. First adventure actually for this year. Kasi last year, busy tayo alam nyo na, start pa lang ng spring until summer, busy kami. And this season, this coming spring, summer, gagala tayo ng madami. So yun guys, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye guys!